What inspires you? From WFSU Public Media, here's this week's Voices That Inspire.
My name is Eloy Martin Jr. I'm an automotive repair technician, also co-owner of DT's Garage with my father. Definitely my father was the number one inspiration for me, even going back from when I was a kid, watching him in the backyard, taking cars apart, and me just standing behind him watching and learning from him. I love it. It's definitely one of my passions for sure. You're not going to know the answers all the time. You have to really hunker down and look at the diagrams and actually understand things in order to diagnose cars properly. So it's just kind of like a no-quit attitude. You just have to constantly go for it until you figure out what the issue is. One of the biggest challenges in my business is trying to find qualified mechanics. If we start teaching it in school, a lot of my technicians now, that's what they did. They picked it up in high school and they did 1 or 2 years of college just to kind of test it out, and it just wasn't their game. They just didn't like it. And they kind of really gravitated towards the automotive industry. And high school is really where that all kicked off for them. You really get a sense of pride after you finish that one job, as opposed to, just writing something on a piece of paper for some office job or something like that. To be able to take something that's broken and repair it and get it back up into running order for that person to be able to succeed in life, go to work, go get groceries and stuff like that, it gives you a sense of pride within yourself. Honestly, I would say it's okay for your kids to go to trade school. They really make something of themselves there. Sometimes college isn't the only answer for a career. Us as mechanics, we're here for the people. Being a business owner, I'm able to do that for them. My name is Eloy Martin Jr., co-owner of DT's Garage with my father, Eloy Martin Sr.
You're listening to Voices That Inspire.